So this is lesson 79, and it's on insufficient information. So basically, sometimes you'll read something and it's not going to give you enough information, so you can't answer it. So listen to this. A 10-pound bag of potatoes cost $1.49. What is the average cost? What is the average price of each potato? Well, here's the problem. They didn't say 10 potatoes. They said a 10-pound bag. So, can we figure out this answer? No. It's insufficient information. And so, whenever you have an insufficient information, you can just write insufficient. Or, I think sometimes people put that. So, I would just put insufficient information because that way I know for sure what you mean by that.
What is the lesson?
Okay? Now, the next thing we're going to look at, it says, the numbers x and y are whole numbers. They tell me that x and y are whole numbers, and then they tell me to compare it. Is there any way to figure out which one's bigger and which one's smaller? No. Insufficient information. Now we know that they're both whole numbers, but a whole number includes anyone from 1 to a million. So we don't know what they are, so it's insufficient information. Okay? But this one says, the next one says, what if x is positive and y is negative? Is that sufficient information?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay? So if y was, what did I say, negative? If y is negative and x is positive, then we know that x is the bigger, so we can do that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Now listen to this one. It tells me to compare A and B. A and B. And then it doesn't stop there. It tells me this. If A minus B equals 0. Sufficient information, insufficient?
Insufficient.
What do you think?
Insufficient. Sufficient.
Can I come up with something right here to equal 0? Help me think of something.
7 minus 7.
7 minus 7 equals 0. What else could I use? 6 minus 6, that equals 0. So if A is 7 and B is 7, then what will this always be? It's always going to be equal. If I choose 6,
negative 6
and 6
plus 6.
Does everybody understand? So that one did give us sufficient amount of information. It seemed insufficient at first, but after we kind of put some numbers in, it made sense. Does everybody understand that one? So that was a little bit more difficult because it seems insufficient, but it's not. All right, that's lesson 79.